today I'll be talking about ball mastery skills. I've already explained one video where I'd explained very basic stuff. So in this video I'll be talking about slightly advanced skills which will definitely help you have a better control of the ball. These are really useful skills during the game. Practice well, hope you guys can master these skills. All the best. We need two objects. I have picked up random balls from my house and each object has to be 2 steps away. 1, 2, and we'll be working around these two objects.
In this variation, we'll be using the instep of both our feet alternatively. We then need to move around the objects in the figure of 8. As you can see, I'm using the instep of both my feet alternatively and I'm making sure I'm engaging both my dominant as well as my weaker foot so that we have a better ball control with both our feet. Once you've understood and perfected the movement, you need to go for this for the next 30 seconds. The second variation is very similar to the first one, the only difference here being that in this variation we are using the sole of our feet alternatively to go in the figure of 8 around the two objects. As you can see, I'm using the sole of my feet alternatively and I'm rolling the ball as I move along the circuit. This variation is a very simple and an effective way to improve both your body balance as well as your ball control. In the next variation, we need to use the sole of our foot to move the ball in the figure of 8. As you can see, I'm tapping the ball and I'm moving along the circuit to make a figure of 8. I start with my preferred foot, but I gradually go to my weaker foot into the next variation and repeat the whole thing to complete the circuit. This is a slightly advanced variation because we are using multiple parts of our foot to make combinations. Begin with, I need to use the sole of my right foot to roll the ball backwards. I need to then use instep of my right foot to push the ball to my left foot and my left foot pushes the ball forward to make one U. Now I need to repeat the whole thing again to make another U around the second object. To complete the variation, I need to repeat the whole thing again, but this time I'll be using the outstep of my right foot to make the multiple U pattern. In the final variation, we need to complete the figure of 8 around the two objects by using multiple surface of our foot. To begin with, I use the sole of my right foot to roll the ball. I'm using the instep of my left foot to control the ball and pull the ball back. I then need to use the instep of my right foot to push the ball towards my left foot and I repeat the whole thing around the second object all over again to complete the figure of 8.